This is a 12 volt, 24 volt frosted glass high polish finished with the CRI 80 bulb. The light is 12 volts with a blue light for night light with the feather touch button and dimmable, 3000 Kelvin. We're going to hook this up, show you how to install it and what it looks like in a low level shot. With the supplied bracket backing and the screws, set screws, you're going to find a spot on your wall where your 12 volt system is located and you're going to lock down. With the grub bolt onto the main base on the bottom or top, you're going to spin on the bolt. You're going to snake your wiring however you wire, place onto the base, and lock your grub bolt down. The light switch faces down. It has a gimbal that you could adjust it to an angle. And if you need to loosen up the socket inside the nut, you can do so to put it on an angle. Inside has circuitry that is protected by waterproof silicone cover. Yellow is your positive, black is your negative. You have a feather touch button that press it once. It lights up blue for the night light, as you can see here. I'll put the light above so you can see. When you press it again, it will dim. If you hold on to the light, it would dim low. Release and press again to dim high. We're going to shut the light off to show you the brightness of the Kelvin and the light's lumens. Show you the night light. Turn the light on. Hold it for the dim for low and dim for high. The 12 volt, 24 volt can be put anywhere. RV, campers, boats, portable. Have a portable light by your shed that runs off of a solar panel like so. I hope you enjoyed this product. If this is something you're looking for a nice light, give you a 3000 Kelvin and adjustable with a night light. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.